Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove Meta AI from Messenger app. If you want to remove Meta AI from Messenger app, you need to follow some steps. To start, open the browser or Google on your mobile phone. Now, use the search bar to search for Messenger old version. It will show you different websites with the old version of Messenger. Here, visit the first website by tapping on it. This website has a lot of older versions of Messenger. If the latest Messenger version does not work well on your device, you can resort to the previous version history of Messenger for Android from up to down. Here, you will be able to download previous versions safely and free of charge. Then, scroll down and you will find different old versions. As you scroll down, you will get the See More button to see more old versions. You can scroll down and hit the See More button to get more old versions. After that, select any version of your choice by tapping on it. Next, scroll down and hit the Download button. Click Download to get the file and open it. If requested, allow the installation and then tap Install to start using the app. The older versions of Messenger do not have Meta AI feature. That's how you can remove Meta AI from Messenger app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.